Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 23rd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, a stock I'm going to show you today is a company called Verizon Communications. You probably all know it as the cell phone company that is most widely used by most people. And what you'll see here is we entered this trade right down here, right on the 2nd of February. And the low, we let it pierce through $48, and we bought call options. That means we're going to buy an option out, and we're going to look for the stock to trade higher. It's a very, very cheap and easy way to play for upside. And the positive move here is that we just had to wait a little while, but I had told members, I said, this is a very, very good level, and this is an institutional buy level where the institutions should come in and support the stock. And now we got a 2-point bounce on the stock, and we closed out the second half of the position today, the final half, for an 83.8% gain. So that's almost 84% in just a $2 move, and that's something you can do with an options account. And you don't need a lot of money. Options are much, much less than buying the actual stock, so it's a cheap way of playing the equity, and it also is a way of playing it and making a bigger percentage gain. And the positive is, if just say the option just expired worthless and we were completely wrong, you're only going to risk the premium that you paid for the option, so you know your defined risk right when you get into the play. Now, all in all, I'll show you how I was able to pick out this level. And if you just go back and you look at a chart here, what you're going to notice here is we just look at this daily chart, and you go back all the way to November 9th, what you're going to see is the stock tried to break out at $48, and it failed, and it sold off, but it found low at 46, and then it slowly got through that 48 level. So anytime you get action around the level, and then you finally get through it, you know that that is going to be very, very solid support the next time it's retested. So old resistance becomes new support. That's the old market adage. And what you're going to see here is that price came down to that level. Look how it tested it 3 times. Couldn't break it. If it can't break down, you know what it's going to do. It's going to break up. And that's exactly what Verizon did, and it moved higher. So, again, this was just isolating a very, very good institutional buy level, and we were able to capture an 84% gain in the equity. So again, if you want to trade options, come on over, try out the option service. You do not need a big account to do this. We recommend that you do it with very small contract sizes. Test the waters, and you see what it's all about. But again, you're not going to get an 80% gain in just less than 3 weeks' time in any other way but trading options. So again, I just wanted to share that with everybody. That's our live trade for the day. Again, come on over, join the option service. You'll see what it's all about. We're ready to put out a new option later today, and again, you can join the program. So with that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we'll see you on the charts.